Recently, I had this really incredible experience where I got to collect as many sand dollars as I wanted. They were all over the beach, and I was lucky enough to be there, and so I went ahead and collected a bunch. Now, I've been collecting expired sand dollars for years. So even though these are dark in color, I can assure you these are all dead. Now, I like to whiten my sand dollars in batches, so I'm going to add the ones I found on that day to the ones I already had. And then I put them in a flattish container with a lid because I'm going to cover them with hydrogen peroxide. Before I knew better, I did use bleach, but I was always afraid I would weaken the sand dollars. Hydrogen peroxide is actually a really cool chemical. Fun fact, it will decompose and become ineffective when exposed to UV light and heat. So that is why it's sold in a brown bottle. So I'm going to cover my sand dollars with hydrogen peroxide, put a lid on the container, and then let them hang out until I'm ready to check on them. The beauty of using hydrogen peroxide is it will not weaken the sand dollars. I got this trick from someone that cleans bones. Hydrogen peroxide is used because it removes organic residues without the harshness of bleach, which can make bones brittle. Hydrogen peroxide kills bacteria and prevents growth of mold and other microorganisms that might develop, and unlike bleach, it's less likely to weaken or damage bones, making it perfect for delicate specimens or for cleaning sand dollars. Now you can see the hydrogen peroxide did miss a few spots, but that's not a problem. I'm just going to put those sand dollars back in the holding container for the next time I decide to whiten a batch. Now, some sand dollars can be really stubborn and they won't go white, but I don't think that's the case with these. Most of them came out that gorgeous pearly white color. And I'm not done with them. I will seal these with 1 part glue and 1 part water, and I'll paint that on just to give them a little extra oomph. So the next time you need to whiten your sand dollars, don't reach for the bleach. Reach for that brown bottle of hydrogen peroxide and whiten your sand dollars the safe way.